I guess I'll be unboxing a new tea that I got. It's been stuck in customs for like over a month. I have 4 more boxes still stuck, but this one I'm excited to. So we're gonna see what I got. I can smell the green tea. This whole box smells like green tea. Okay. This is, I think this is a black tea. I hope it's not. I hope it doesn't get stuck at custom and turn to black. It's a black tea. This is a new, really good lapsang souchong. So this is called Huaxiang lapsang souchong. So if you're familiar with lapsang souchong, they normally smoke really heavily. And recently, I think the past few years, we have a lot of lapsang souchong that is not smoked, but it tastes more like a chocolatey. And this is the third kind, which is called Huaxiang. Huaxiang means flower fragrance. So in China, this style of lapsang souchong is actually the most popular one. So we had a little bit from my trip, and it was super popular. Everybody is very surprised because it tastes nothing like lapsang souchong. So I'm very excited for everybody to try this. I got a few kilos. Should be hopefully enough for the holiday. All right, so number 1 is lapsang souchong. It's another Dragon Ball. I think this is a pu'er. Yep. So what I did is, we have this like Ping Tao Dragon Ball that is super popular, and I took a few samples and sent it to my other helper in China, and I told them to find something similar or better, and hopefully with better price. So this is the one. It looks a little bit smaller. It smells really good. So that one I'm very excited. So the Ping Tao Ball is on the website, the one that everybody like. It tastes kind of like a rock sugar. So I'm expecting this one is better or similar at least. All right. It's a white tea. Somehow it feels very light. I wonder if this is just a box. Some of this tea I haven't tried, by the way. All right, it looks like it's a loose. Yeah, I think this is the honey bear. It's just packed differently this time. This is gotta be my green tea. It wrapped in a paper. Yep. So this is probably, this is my cheaper jasmine. So we sell this to coffee shops. I don't currently sell it at the shop because I do think our 6X jasmine pearl is better. But for a lot of coffee shops, this is great. It's better for like cold brew. The flavor is stronger. So this is gonna be for my coffee shop customers. All right, this has gotta be the white tea. This is the new Golden Monkey. So I'm gonna have to compare this with our current Golden Monkey to see if this is better. But hopefully it's better, because Golden Monkey is an everyday black tea from China that is like super popular. And we updated our Golden Monkey like a few months ago, and we got like a couple different feedback. Like I feel like we got a mixed feedback. Some people like the original, some people like the new one. All right, this is another pu'er bowl. This time is from Chiangmai San. So this, I think I did sample this and it was amazing. I remember this. So a little bit slightly bitter, a little bit lemony. Very, very good. It's already pre-packed. This one's also super exciting. Hopefully it tastes exactly what the sample that I got before. Should be pretty amazing. Each of this bowl you can brew like about 20 times. I'm a huge fan of Chiang Mai now. I tried a lot of Chiang Mai before my trip and it was never really that good. Right, so let's open up the second boxes. Let's see what we got here. I'm waiting for my dragon well. I have this amazing dragon well. It was super popular even among people that do not like dragon well. More white tea. This is the Chung Cha. This is a famous company. Oh, I remember I bought a 1980 and a 1990 pu'er. So hopefully it arrived. I think it does. What is this? 2016 Gu Cha. Lots of new pu'er. Lao Panjang. Ooh, I got a Lao Panjang. So Lao Panjang is this very, very famous pu'er area. It's the most expensive pu'er. So everybody tried to claim the real Lao Panjang, but the truth is nobody really have the real Lao Panjang. So we're going to see if this is legit. It's probably not a real one, but as long as it tastes good, that's all that matters. Got an award winner Sui Xian. I remember trying this. It's really, really good. So award winner Sui Xian. It's like a competition grade. We got that recently. Got this very limited pu'er brick. It's a Sikwe. Sikwe is also another area in Yunnan that is very famous. Look at this. Very, very old Hei Cha. This one is Fu Cha. We call it Liao Fu Cha. Looks kind of dusty. It reminds me of like a Liu Bao a little bit. It looks beautiful. I got so much tea. Another sample of Ping Tao. Ping Tao Kusu. It's a Ping Tao cake. Looks very good. It looks like it's been fermented. It's also smoked very heavily. I normally do not like smoked one, so I'm gonna see how good this one is. So it's 2006 Pulang raw pu'er. This is the expensive one. They only come out, I believe, they only have like 40 of this that is made. This is a 1980 pu'er. This is from a famous factory. Normally I don't like a factory tea, but so we're gonna see if this is even worth the money. It's very expensive. Lots of very cute small packaging of, ooh, this is the dragon well. It packed in this small bag. Tou Jiang Longjing. It means it's the top award dragon well. So this is probably the one I've been waiting. It's the new Jinju Mei. It's supposed to be a top grade Jinju Mei black tea. So let's see. We already have 2 Jinju Mei now. I'm gonna see if this is even better. And this is the most expensive Wee Oolong that is like roasted with charcoal from Wee Mountain. This is called horse meat. It's a weird name, but it's actually It's a name of a place with the name of the cultivar, and then when they make it short, it sounds like a horse meat. So this is called maro. One of these bag is like a few $1,000s. So very excited to have this finally. I'm glad this one doesn't got lost in the mail, because I'll be very sad. Finally, I got a few new puer for me to try. All of this is brand new. I'm supposed to give them a try. This was personally handpicked by somebody I trust, and we're gonna see if the puer will be good to add into our tea collection. Because right now, puer has been my #1 focus for my China trip. So that's why I've been trying to get a bunch of samples. So I'm gonna see if there's any good. So keep you guys updated, see how good they are. I might create an event for local to give this tea a try together. But other than that, I'll see you until the next unboxing video. Bye.